Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. In this video, we will see what is the difference between array lists and linked list. We have seen both kind of list in the last two videos, and now we will see what is the difference between them and when we can use them. So let's see the first difference. First difference is linked list element insertion is faster compared to array list. So whenever you try to add element or your frequent operation in your program is insertion, then it's better to use linked list. Okay, so when you want to use frequent insertions or adding of element in your list, then linked lists are preferred. Now, why insertion is faster in linked list in compared to array list? Because linked lists are doubly linked list. So linked list uses doubly linked list. You can Google what is double linked list. Basically, it means that it maintains two pointer. One is right before the element and one is right after the element. So the insertion is faster. But whenever you try to add something to the array list, it has to resize its size and it has to shift the element because it uses index based list. So that's why linked list is faster in terms of insertion. In the same way, whenever you want to delete something or your frequent operation is deletion, I'm talking about frequent word here, and I'm stressing on this frequent word because in normal condition where you have to add hardly once or twice, or not more than 10 times, both performance wise you cannot measure. But the frequent operation, by frequent operation I mean somewhere around 10 to the power 5 addition or deletion or something like this. So it's frequent, right? So whenever you have frequent deletion also, linked lists are faster than array lists. Okay, so whenever you have frequent deletion operation or whenever you have frequent insertion operation in your program, then use linked list. Okay, now when array lists are good to use, so whenever your frequent operation is searching in the list, then array lists are better. So array list search operation is pretty fast compared to linked list search operation. Search operation means whenever you want to get some value from your list which is quite big and your frequent operation is searching inside the list. For example, your list is 10 to the power 5 element. So your list contains 10 to the power 5 elements and you want to get exactly the element at the middle of the list. Then this array list is faster because array list, I have already said that it's index based, right? And it's faster to get the index of the array list than to retrieve it using iterator, because linked list, I already told you, uses these doubly linked list. That means it uses double pointers, and for that you need iterator. But array list are only index based. Okay, so whenever you have search operations, you use ArrayList, but these search operation if they have frequent search operations, right? Now, fourth and last difference is linked list has more memory overhead because linked list work on pointers or doubly linked list pointers. They have more memory overhead, and because array lists are index based list, and they only contain, or they only uses the number of element or addresses equal to the number of element. That's why array list consumes lesser memory than linked list. Okay, so linked list has more memory overhead than array list because in array list each index only hold actual object, right? But in linked list each node holds both the data address of next and previous node. This is the basic concept of doubly linked list, which is the pointer which holds next and previous value. Okay, so whenever you are concerned about memory, then use array lists. Okay, so these are the four main or major differences between linked list. Now, how can we prove these 4 points? What I have done is I have made a program here, and I will try to insert 10 to the power 7 element. 1e7 means 10 to the power 7 elements I will try to insert into the list also, and insert into the linked list also. So array list and linked list, I will insert same number of elements, and I will compare the time taken by them, and then I will see which is faster. And this is not a small number. 10 to the power 7 is quite big, right? So I'm going to see how much time in millisecond it takes. So I am measuring time using this current time in millisecond, using system.current_time in milliseconds, and then I'm printing the time using the current time minus the time I have recorded before this insertion. In the same way, I am doing the same for the linked list, and I will see the time taken by them. Okay. Similarly, I'm trying to remove the values from my list. So once I insert some value in the list, I will try to remove the value. And let's try to remove the value from the middle of the list. Okay. So you can say 10 to the power 7. Let's remove the value from 1e5, for example. So 1e5. Okay, not the middle, but it's quite random, and it has to do some work to find this value, right? To remove it. Okay, and then I will try to search some value inside the list. Okay, so these 3 operations I'm going to do, and I will try to run this program and see what is the time taken by all 3 operations. So now I get the insert result and deletion result and the search result. So insertion, you can see the result. In insert operation, array list take 6114 millisecond, and in insert, linked list takes 1617 millisecond, right? That means linked list is faster in insertion operation, right? Now, in case of deletion, it should be linked list should take less time than this array list, but sometimes it can happen. But this operation was not doing frequent, right? Deletion I have only called only once here, right? Not I have done any frequent operation. So only one deletion takes lesser time in array list in this case, but more time in linked list. But this, if the remove operation is frequent, then the faster will be the linked list, right? So let's try to remove the first element itself and then see what happens. So in removal, once again, ArrayList take more time, which is 11 millisecond, and deletion of a linked list for the first element takes almost 0 millisecond. That is, linked list is faster for the removal also, or deletion if you have frequent deletion, right? Now, in the third operation, what I was doing is I was searching in the list. Basically, I was searching in the list exactly the middle element in the list. So this search operation gives me the results something like this. Whenever I try to get some value which is exactly at the middle, or whose index is exactly at the middle of the size of the array, then the array list takes less time, which is almost 0 millisecond, but linked list you see takes more time. Okay, so this proves more or less our point. Deletion and insertion, linked list is better, but whenever you want to search, then this is better. Which one? Array list is better. Okay, so these are the difference between array list and linked list. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.